Welcome to my channel, everyone. As you can see, today we're making some curry oxtail. Here I have about 3 pounds of oxtail already washed and cleaned. Now I'm adding some chopped scotch bonnet pepper, some grated ginger, minced garlic, and some crushed pimento berries. Next, I'm adding some green seasoning. The powdered seasoning I'm using are very simple. I'm using all-purpose black pepper and some salt. That's it. No, I don't add the curry powder directly to the meat. Now let's give it a good mix and make sure every piece of oxtail is covered in seasoning. The exact measurement for each seasoning will be in the description box below. Going to let this marinate overnight. It's time to cook. Add some coconut oil to the pot. Now the oil is hot, it's time to add the curry powder. And just allow that to burn a little. Then stir. It's time to add the oxtail in. And stir and just keep stirring until every piece is covered with that curry. Do not add any water, just cover and allow it to spring its own juices. After 5 minutes, this is what it's looking like. Now at this point, I'm going to add just a little bit of water. Let's add a bit more water. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, let's check. Add some more water, and I'm going to add a little water at a time and just allow to cook for about an hour and a half. Please note, you should be adding boiling or really hot water each time. And an hour and a half has passed. I'm just gonna test the oxtail, make sure it's cooked. As you can see, the fork goes through, so it's getting there. Add some coconut milk. Just giving it a taste. Make sure it doesn't want any more salt or anything. It's perfect. So let's add some Irish and some chopped carrots. Some chopped onions. Scallion and thyme. And I'm going to add a whole green scotch bonnet pepper. Add some more green seasoning and I'm going to allow it to cook for about 20 minutes. Look how delicious that looks, and it smells even better. There you have it, curry oxtail. If you liked today's video, please subscribe and come back for more delicious recipes.